What is up, hearties, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be showing you guys how to bleach knots for beginners. If you have never bleached knots before, you don't know what to buy, you don't know where to start, I am going to be showing you guys exactly what you need, exactly how to do it. I am doing this demonstration on a 4x4 wig. This is human hair wig. It has 2 combs on the side, 1 comb in the back, and it has a 4x4 lace in the front. The client wants a middle part. As you can see, it's already plucked. It's plucked nicely. The only thing left to do is bleach the knot. So as you can see, it looks whitish. So right now I'm just showing you guys the parting. I'm trying to record and still show you at the same time, so I was having a little difficulty, but this is what the part looks like. This is what the scalp portion, the lace portion of this wig is looking like. It looks pretty good. So I feel like once we bleach the knot, it's good to go. So you're going to be needing your powder, and I'm using this powder sparkle. You could go to your beauty supply store and get any powder. It doesn't really matter. It's gonna work. So this, to me, the easiest way to know how to do this is like pancake mix. Like if you do pancake mix, the consistency of the pancake mix is the same consistency you want for the bleach. So I'm just adding a little powder, and then I'm going to add liquid until I kind of get a thick consistency, kind of like powder, like pancake. So it's not too runny, but it's not extremely thick. It's just in between. So I'm using the 20 volume developer, and I recommend using the 20 volume. You could even use the 10 if you're scared, but the 20 is pretty safe. So I recommend using the 20 because that way it doesn't bleach it too fast. And you know, like sometimes if you might forget, you don't want to have it too strong, and then you forget for 1 minute and you kind of like mess up your wig. Not too much mess up your wig, because you could always color it back, but you know what I mean. So I'm using the 20 developer, and right here I'm just mixing it. So of course that's what you're going to need. You're going to need your mixing bowl. You're going to need this little brush thing that I'm using to mix it, and you're going to need your powder and your developer, of course, and gloves. So right here I'm just mixing it with the brush, making sure that I get all the powder, all the consistency looking really good, and I'm going to show you the consistency that we're looking for. So you see, it's nice and thick. It's not too runny. It's just right. This is exactly how we want it to be. See, it's not too thick and chunky, but it's not too runny. So this is great. So we're ready to apply this onto the wig. Okay, so I'm going to pretty much clean up my little area and begin applying. I am applying from the front to the back, and you don't want to press it in too much. You just want to keep it on the lace, because pressing it in is going to make the bleach penetrate through the holes on the lace further. So you don't want to press it too much. You just want to bleach just the knots. So try your best to just brush in one stroke. Put enough bleach on the brush and just try your best to brush in one stroke, and then move on to the next section. Try not to go over it with a lot of bleach too much. Okay, just try your best. Try your best not to push too much bleach into the holes. Okay, so that's what I'm doing right here. I'm just covering the entire lace portion. Okay, and right here I'm just going ahead and checking to make sure excess bleach is not on the hair itself. So I'm just double checking and making sure everything is straight. And once it looks good, I am going to leave it like that and be very careful not to bleach the rest of the hair. So put it in a nice position where it cannot touch the other hair. So 10 minutes has passed and I'm just checking it to see if any progress. You'll kind of see the roots of the hair a little bleached. So it didn't look bleached in this after 10 minutes. So I gave it an additional 5 minutes. And then I'm just checking it. I gave it an additional 5 minutes. And then I'm just checking it. So after 20 minutes, it was pretty much done. So I'm going to go ahead and wash it out. If you're going to be washing the hair out in the sink, always be sure to clean out your sink with some bleach, you know, just for sanitary purposes. And voila, this is how the bleach knots look. So I'm just going ahead and applying some conditioner to kind of soften up the hair a little bit. So you shampoo, you condition just how you normally shampoo and condition. So that's pretty much what I'm doing, and I'm pretty much done. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give me a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next video. The next video, I'm going to be sharing how to remove the itch and the smelly odor that some weave has. Some weave smell like cat pee or dog pee. So I'll show you in the next video how to remove that odor. I'm right here, I'm just combing it through, taking out all the tangles. Carefully do this portion and you're pretty much done.